Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to turn on Narrator and start reading text right away. Press Win plus Control plus Enter to launch Narrator. Once it speaks, open Settings Ease of Access Narrator to pick a voice and adjust speed. Make sure to set the Narrator key, caps lock, or insert so commands feel natural. You should also allow Cortana or online voices if you want more natural speech. Once done, try the Quick Start tutorial Narrator offers so you learn core commands while the feature is active. Now focus on reading and navigation controls so you can move through windows and documents. Use the Narrator key plus right/left arrow to read the next line or previous character. Narrator key plus up/down arrow reads by paragraph or line depending on your setting. Activate scan mode with Narrator key plus space to navigate links, buttons, and headings. It makes web pages act like a list. Make sure to tweak verbosity and punctuation so speech matches your preference, and use Control plus F to search when reading long text. Finish by customizing voices, persistence, and recovery steps so Narrator fits daily use. In Settings Time and Language Speech install or switch language packs to get different voices and accents, then return to Narrator settings to pick that voice and save preferences. Enable Narrator to start with Windows if you need it every session. If speech fails, first check audio output and volume, then reinstall the speech language pack or run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Make sure drivers are updated so audio devices work correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.